In the heart of San Jose, California, lies a grand and eerie mansion known as the Winchester House. A labyrinth of mystery and intrigue, this architectural marvel is shrouded in tales of ghosts and supernatural occurrences. It's an enchanting enigma that has captivated the imaginations of many, making it a must-visit for thrill-seekers and history buffs alike. The story begins with Sarah Winchester, a bereaved widow who inherited a vast fortune from her husband William Winchester, the man behind the famed Winchester Repeating Arms Company. Stricken by grief after losing her husband and child, Sarah sought solace in spiritualism. A medium reportedly told her that she was cursed by the spirits of those killed by Winchester rifles. To appease these restless spirits, Sarah was instructed to build a house with no end in sight. Construction began in 1884 and continued relentlessly for 38 years until Sarah's death. The result? An astonishing mansion with 160 rooms filled with oddities like staircases leading to nowhere or doors opening into walls. The house is as beautiful as it is bizarre. Ornate woodwork adorns its interior while stained glass windows cast an enchanting glow throughout its endless hallways. Yet every corner seems imbued with an otherworldly aura that sends shivers down your spine. Visitors claim to have encountered spectral figures or heard phantom footsteps echoing through empty halls at night. Whether these are mere tricks of light or genuine paranormal phenomena remains unknown. The haunting mysteries of the Winchester House continue to baffle experts today. Its labyrinthine layout defies logic, while tales of ghostly apparitions keep even skeptics intrigued. It's more than just another haunted house. It's a testament to one woman's desperate attempt at redemption from beyond the grave. So, if you're ever in San Jose, dare yourself to explore this maze-like mansion where reality blurs into fantasy. Who knows what secrets you might uncover within its hallowed halls? The haunting mysteries are waiting for your discovery.